There's an old saying in the world of crypto: not your keys, not your coins. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Wajahat. Now you see, cryptocurrencies work very differently to fiat currencies. Normally, let's say you forgot the PIN number to your bank account. Well, you could just go down to your bank in person, show them some of your ID, and boom, you're back into your account. In crypto, it's not quite like that. It's a bit more difficult. You see, if you keep your coins on a exchange like Coinbase or Binance, well, technically you don't actually own those coins, and that's because you don't have access to the keys to that wallet. You gain access to your wallet by logging in, but your account in theory could be deleted, the exchange could get hacked or attacked, and therefore your funds can be lost forever. Look up the Mt. Gox hacking, in which 600,000 bitcoins were hacked and stolen off their exchange. And today that would be worth over $20 billion. It's an unfortunate event, but one that should put us all on guard. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning there is no central authority there to help you in case something goes wrong. It gives you the responsibility and puts the power on you. That does also mean that if any transaction does go through, it cannot be reversed. If a hacker or someone gets access to your account or your private keys, well, you're in trouble because they can literally just send all of that money to their own account and you can't do anything about it. That's why it's really important to keep things as secure as possible. Nowadays, the big central exchanges like Binance and Coinbase probably have quite good security systems, but for me personally, I like to have complete control of my assets, and that's why I decided to buy one of these. This is the Nano Ledger S, and it's what's known as a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is designed to only perform a very limited number of tasks. It holds the private key and can be used to confirm transactions using that key. It cannot connect to the internet and cannot confirm any transactions by itself. For this reason, this memory stick looking device needs to be connected to a computer so you can use it. A few things to know about hardware wallets. The operating system that kind of runs these wallets is very, very specific. It's not like mobile phones or your computer, and therefore it's pretty much immune to malware or viruses. It doesn't connect to the internet, so it can't be attacked or hacked. And the private keys never leave the wallet, so even if your computer is compromised, your wallet is still safe. Now, a common question that loads of people ask is, what if I lose this? What if it gets stolen? What if I break it? And I think that they ask this because they think that the actual cryptocurrencies are stored on this little memory stick looking device. They're not. Your crypto isn't stored on the device itself. Rather, it's stored on the blockchain. The device is essentially just how you can access them whilst they're stored on the blockchain. If you lose your device, simply enter the seed phrase into another wallet. That can be an online wallet or another Ledger device that you wanted to buy, and you'll have access to your funds again. Again, if Ledger go out of business one day, you don't need to worry. You can simply enter your seed phrase into a new wallet. That can be with a different company, it can be an online wallet or another hardware wallet. Simply entering that seed phrase will allow your private key to regenerate, and therefore you'll have access to your funds once again. When buying a hardware wallet, you need to be aware of different wallets that have been potentially tampered with. I recommend people to go and buy their wallets directly from the manufacturer themselves. So if you want to buy a Ledger wallet, buy it directly from Ledger. Don't even bother going to Amazon or eBay or anywhere else. I've heard of horror stories where people have bought their Ledgers from eBay, they've sent their crypto over to their Ledger, and then it's just been stolen. Please, please, please be careful. Never, ever, ever use a used wallet. That also includes refurbished ones too. Keeping your funds safe is really important, and therefore using one of these is really important in avoiding any issues with your cryptocurrencies. If you do go ahead and buy a hardware wallet, please, please, please remember that seed phrase. Write it down somewhere, but make sure that you remember where you put it. It's estimated that like 20% of all Bitcoins in circulation are pretty much gone just because people can't access their wallets anymore. However, the safety of having your coins stored offline rather than online is, way more important in my opinion, especially if you're holding for many, many, many years. I definitely recommend having your funds offline. I've heard too many stories about people and their MetaMask wallets getting compromised and losing their NFTs, losing their Ethereum and all their other cryptocurrencies. Please, please, please keep your funds safe and make sure you smash the like button. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you very much if you made it this far in the video. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course I'll be back with another video soon.